And we are now here in Bantayan. Alright guys, just want to show you some videos on the beach side of Bantayan Island. So again, we are here at Unix Beach Resort and baby is swimming there. It's very low tide right now, but the water is coming up, so we're gonna swim later. But it's so safe for the kids because it's really low tide. And the water is really not deep, and it's a long stretch of shoreline. You don't have to worry for your baby, but of course you need to watch them. And while doing that, I'm gonna show you their cottages and their benches here, and they also have the mini bar over there. Okay, so you can order everything, anything they have on the menu, like coffee, sandwiches. They also have the mini kitchen over there and the comfort room. Hi guys, we're back here. Call this one ruins. So we're on the cliff. Orya! Orya Glenn! Ah. Oh, clear kayong dagat. Oh, uy, dili mo diya. Magdaot jud atong skin ani. So this is the famous ruins here in Bantayan Island. There's a history about, you know, the owner. So let's try to check the edge here. It's really nice swimming here.
Wala daw si Jenny. Nangyari daw po nung buwan din. Nag-dive lang daw po nung sulit yun.
Oops, oops.
Asa?
Busy kayo sila. So gonna try to go down the stairs and try to, oh yeah, hi, say hi. There's a stairs here, but it's not really going down to the, maybe we just have to wait until the water is going up before. Hello. I'm trying to check the stairs if we can go down, but it's not possible to go down unless you're gonna jump. It's not good.
There's a rock.
Yeah, we have to go back.
It's
No.
Just kind of.
Let's go back. It's very dangerous.
May crab!
My crab.
May crab di ba mo call sa kuan sa rocks. I will leave it
So, di na makaya sa akong skin because I just had my derma. Ah! Picture ma. Okay guys, needed kaya akong talent. Bye.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow, a drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above? I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. Hold my breath, looking up. Life moves in ways that keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again. Sinking in, back on the shore. One foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you used to back then. These hopes dance high like sparks before they go out. But in that now I'll embrace our wondrous sea. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you, sweet escape, a lovely star.
Hi guys, we're back here in Sandira Beach, still in Bantayan Island. So it's really nice here, although you have to really rent a motorcycle just to get here. So it was a bumpy ride, but you get a very nice beach. You know, when they say if it's the hardest climb or heavy rain, when you get to the end of it, you get a very nice, of course, like this. I'm not sure. This is the Paradise Beach. They said about the name, but it says here Sandira Beach. So I'm sorry, Sandira Beach here in Bantayan Island. I think it's 50 pesos per person for the entrance fee, and there's cottages here. What's good about here is it's really crystal clear, full of the water. So nice. The sand is really white. It's really white, like a white. So it's really good. So I'm here now. I'm checking the water. It's really cold. There's just few people here, and I think it's really hot today. Maybe. Arya, so do you like it here? Much better.
That looks bad. I'm gonna swim.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
That's all, guys. Till our next video here in Bantayan, I'll show you more, and check out here. Bye.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, boy, the one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day. I'm smiling.
Oh yeah.
Holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts can align. And it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far.
Let's go.
I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now. you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me up.